You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Porto Launchpad. Binance just announced another new launchpad on their platform yesterday, and you have to start holding BNB right now in large quantity, guys, to participate and to get Porto token after this particular launchpad, because I am expecting this token to do more than 1,500%, guys. We've seen in previous launchpad that have been launched on Binance right here, the token have done more than 2,000%, guys. So it is time for another new launchpad again on Binance. So you go right here and you move straight to launchpad. If you click on launchpad here, once you click on launchpad, it will take you to this very particular platform right here. Remain 3 minutes for this very particular launchpad to be opened, and it's going to last for 10 days. If I click on this very particular icon right now, the preparation period is already ongoing right now, guys. If you've not subscribed to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Let's grow this channel fast. So right here, guys, what you need to do to participate in this very particular launchpad right here is to be a Binance user. First criteria, and then you have to verify your account, ensure your account is verified. And then the second thing is you have to hold BNB. That means you have to buy BNB from the exchange and leave it in your spot wallet. So when you do that, you are qualified, and this should be during this preparation period of 10 days, and it's starting in 3 minutes time from the recording of this very particular video right now. So all you need to do is get BNB after you register, after registration, and get your account verified. Then if you've not registered on Binance, please check the link in the description of this video and do your Binance and OKX KuCoin registration right now. So this token is very important. It's going to do well, that one is sure, but you need to have large quantity of BNB to participate in this very particular launchpad right now on Binance. If you look at it right there, so one Porto will be equal $1. This is the total token given to Binance for this very particular launchpad, which is equal to 4 million Porto, which is approximately $4 million. And then the initial single investment is 0.1 BNB. That is the minimum you can use to participate in this very particular launchpad is 0.1 BNB. And the hard cap per user is $10,000. That means no user can buy more than $10,000. That is approximately 10,000 Porto token in this very particular launchpad. So no matter how large your BNB holding is, you can't buy more than this. So right now, guys, the preparation period is already in process. So all you need to do is to buy BNB and hold it. And in this period of time, Binance coin is going to increase as a result of massive holding and massive buy on their platform because of this very particular launchpad. So after then, guys, we are going to go through this very particular process. Like I always say, before you participate in any launchpad, please find out about the token, and you can do that by going to their website. So if you go to their website right here, then you're going to find more information about the token. Then a white paper will show you the breakdown of how the project is going to go. And then if you come right down here, you'll find a brief information about the token. That is the tokenomics right here. We have the hard cap given to Binance for this very particular launchpad is $4 million. That is 4 million of the token, which is equal to this very particular one. And then the entire total token supply is 40 million. Now the initial supply is 19.5% of this very particular total token supply right here. Okay, now the pre-sale price, that is the public sale price, is $1 for one Porto token. And then the maximum that have been offered to Binance for this very particular sale is 4 million Porto token, and the hard cap that each Binance user can buy, that is the maximum Porto token each Binance user can buy, no matter how large your BNB holding is $10,000 worth of the token. I have seen this very small, lower than the last two launchpad, and this means a lot to this particular project, guys. And if you look at it here, no lock period for this particular token. You have to understand that this very token run on the BEP20 protocol, that is the Binance Smart Chain. Immediately after the end of the token sales is the token distribution period. So you have to understand that very fast. You see, the launchpad have started already, and we have 9 days, 23 hours, 57 minutes left for the preparation period to end. So all you need to do is to quickly buy BNB and hold right now, because what Binance will do is they will calculate your average BNB holding per day by taking snapshots every hour. You see it right here. To participate, your daily average BNB holding across various accounts will be tallied, and more details right here if you click here right now. So after the preparation period is the subscription period. Please ensure, if you are holding BNB for these 10 days, ensure you come to this subscription period on the 16th by 7 a.m. UTC, and always come and subscribe to this very particular launchpad. I'll also do the video right there on this very particular channel, so follow up the video, and on the 16th I will also do a video and show you how to subscribe to this very particular launchpad. Remember, this very particular one will take just 3 hours for subscription. Normally it usually takes 4 hours. The calculation period will start immediately after the subscription period, which normally lasts for an hour. After then, we have the final token distribution period, which also lasts for an hour. Now, immediately after the token distribution period is the listing of the coin, and I always advise that immediately the coin is listed, please sell off your token. Now, if you don't want to sell off all your token, please sell half and collect your initial invest. The reason is because the coin is going to drop, because people that buy from this particular launchpad, they are going to sell off to collect profit. So it will be nice for you to sell off your coin, allow the coin to drop, and then buy it back at a very much lower price. And it has been working very well, guys. So please ensure you participate in this very particular launchpad, especially if you have a large quantity of BNB holding. Now, for you to have large quantity of this token, 3 things is important. Number 1, you have to hold BNB in large quantity. Number 2, you have to hold BNB for these 10 days. And number 3, the participants of this particular launchpad will be taken into consideration so that everybody can have a bit of the Porto token. Now, this also will make the price of BNB to rise because of high demand for BNB. Okay, that is how you should prepare to participate right now for this very particular launchpad on Binance. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and leave a like for this very particular video. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency Course and Mentorship Program, please check the description of this video and you see a WhatsApp contact and reach out to us directly. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.